sheriff. So they look like they're taking care of people. So do you think they like pull them down here and then let them raft back?
I think so. Or is it, I believe they're starting at the Buckskin State Park, and they register there and then they float down.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, you'll see there's a sheriff all the way over there too.
Okay. Yeah. They have all kinds of emergency people. You can see that right there. They have a board there to help them.
Here, grab a hold of this.
Right. So they're taking care of her. This is our first time doing this, so we didn't know how it would go. The wind's really picking up. I don't know how the new camera's going to do with the wind noise, but I'm really glad to see the sheriff's department. So many of them on the water. There's rescue teams. They're making sure everybody's okay. That way everybody can just have a great time. Yeah, see, they're picking up the rafts. There's a boat. They picked up all the rafts. They're going to take them down to the other end, set them free so they can go down and raft back down again. So this is what I'm hoping. I'm hoping all these people have some really, really good sunscreen. River Raft Event, right?
River Raft Event.
Good event. They're doing a good job.
Family event. It's
Yeah,
cool.
awesome. It really is. They're doing a good job on it. It makes me feel really good to see how they're taking care of people. That would be a problem. So, yeah, people are really watching and taking care of everybody. And they get a little ride.
Exactly. Get a little pull.
Get a little pull. Nice job. Red pants.
You're welcome, viewers. Got a ducky, and it looks like a deck there.
Hey everybody, so we've been reading a lot online about people having problems with their electrical systems overheating in the bay where the electrical system actually is. And we did notice on hot days that it does seem to get really hot in there and it's kind of scary. So people were recommending that we get one of these. It's called AFO's, Auto Fire Offs, that I'm going to be having Aiden install. I'll read you the advantages of it. So it's lightweight, only 0.5 kilograms, a shape of a ball. Even the old and children can easily use it. as long as simply roll out to fire scene or set in the place easy on fire, such as the electric case, the gas barrel, flammable chemical articles in the factory, shopping mall, gas station, hotel, or even in the car. So you get the hint. This is obviously from overseas. It's not from here, and there's quite a language barrier. But anyways, the idea is that you install one of these balls. They have full balls, and basically, when a fire starts, the flames hit this, and within 3 seconds, this thing puts out the fire. It just extinguishes the fire, puts it out. And so we thought it would be a good idea to have. Wouldn't hurt, definitely, and makes us feel a little safer. They're not a sponsor or anything. We got this one for a little under 50 bucks on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and have Hayden take it out and install it and see where we put it. Alright, so this is the bay that... Look at that mess. So, yeah, that's the area that heats up. I don't know why everything's pulled that way, but that definitely could be a dangerous problem. That's the...
up to.
Why is the inverter going on when we're not using battery? That shouldn't be on at all.
Well, no, what's happening is this is going to that, and then it's actually charging the batteries.
Oh, okay. Well, we shouldn't have anything stacked up around either of them, especially flammable stuff. It looks like there's silicone stuff.
That was like that whenever we got the...
Do you think it's a good idea? It looks like there's some spray stuff back there.
That's fire,
Okay.
foam stuff.
Alright.
Which, yes, I need to move.
Anyways, as you can tell, I haven't been back here. Aiden packed the bays, and he kind of takes care of the bays and the outdoor stuff, so I kind of stay out of it. So I'm kind of glad we got that thing. So where do you think you'll put it? Gosh.
I was thinking maybe something like that.
Above it. Yeah, because if there's going to be flames, it would be like boom right there, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Or we could do like this.
Yeah, no. I want it like sealed in there because when we move, I'd like to take it out and put it back in the box, right?
Well, that's what I'm saying.
But
we could set it here.
But if we forget, I'd rather have it to where it's
not going to go.
Got
anywhere.
a better chance. Can you see what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah.
Not going to go anywhere. It might stay.
Yeah.
I get you. I get you. All right. So what we'll do is we'll install here. Nope. Nope. We won't install there.
Well, in front of that, maybe. Yeah, I would say there.
Like here,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah.
That way it can go in. So when we remove this stuff,
Thank you.
we'll put this stuff.
Cool. So that's a good place for it, right?
Yeah, we'll be right here.
Alright. So you're going to put the screw in here.
It's going to go in here.
So, in there. So I'm afraid that the screw's not going to come out the bumper here, right?
Oh, no.
No?
No.
Okay.
And if it does, we have a problem. We have some rather long screws.
Way too long of screws, huh? So basically it's just the basket screws in, I suppose is what I'm seeing. That's pretty easy peasy, right?
Yeah.
No major installation. It's just, it looks like, what, 2 screws?
2 screws.
To screw the basket into the wall. So, hey, that works.
And then this goes right in here like that. Of course, it does say, has an arrow pointing down, so you know that this goes down.
Okay, so there is a right way and a wrong way. And does that snap in, kind of? Oh, I see. It just works down into the basket. Poof! Just kidding. Did it
Now
scare you?
It's actually in there secured, so
Yeah.
it won't come out.
Okay.
So, even if we're driving down the road, we don't have to worry about it popping out. It'll stay in there.
It will?
It will.
Okay, well, let's hope so, because that would suck if not.
But now we have peace of mind.
We do have peace of mind, and that's comforting. So,
Big bug.
I saw one of those, this was yesterday. Anyways, so I have a question for you. That refrigerator light isn't working anymore.
Oh, it's not?
Do you think you could possibly fix that?
Sure.
Okay. So what do you think the culprit is?
I think it's the switch.
Okay,
So,
so you're going to take it out?
I'm going to take it out and put the new one in.
We got a new one?
We do have a new one.
Alright, awesome. So what's the switch? Show us where the switch is.
The switch is right here.
Okay, so I see, and that switch does not work.
No.
So our refrigerator light wasn't up, so you got a new switch
Got a new switch.
from, we ordered it
Amazon.
from Amazon. It was $35 for the whole kit.
But we're just going to use the switch part.
Right. It was actually cheaper to buy it that way. It was more just for the switch. So,
Out. The
Wait.
switch is in.
the new switch is in? Oh, that was easy. So it just pulled out and pushed in?
It just pops out right here.
Okay.
Right here, there's a little push. You just push it and it pops
out, and then you just...
And then you just pop the other one in and hook the little wire up right here.
And that's really, really good to know, because there might be people with them. These are Dometic refrigerators. They're really common, and if the switch or the light does go out,
You can,
if it's not the light, which we checked, of course, then it's the switch.
correct, and also you can check, the way to check to see if it's the switch. If you jiggle the switch and the light actually comes on,
And that's what ours was doing.
then you know that it's this switch.
Right, it just wouldn't stay on.
So let's put, we did get some
Bulb.
LED bulbs because we didn't, because the main bulbs, they take up not that much power, but
Well,
you
there.
know, this
I
is,
got purple, by the way.
this is purple.
Yeah, I got us a purple light bulb for in there, so we'll see what
I'm
it
gonna
looks
hold
like.
this
Yeah.
so that it's not getting any power. Okay, let's check.
Oh, whoa! Yeah. We have some light now. Good job. Is there a cover that goes on that?
And then let's put the cover back on.
Oh, nice. Wow. That's better. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, we can see stuff in there now. We'll look in the fridge. It's kind of messy. It's just mainly milk, because we drink a gallon of milk a day. We're growing boys, you know. Nice. Hey, thank you. Good job.
And all it takes is changing out. All it takes is changing out a little switch.
Nice. Good job. Well done. Love
I
you.
mean, first, yeah, check the bulb. That's your first check.
Right.
Then switch.
Awesome. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Bye.